Things is so good, it's so creepy, and the music is equally as good and creepy. And we've got a song tutorial on how to play the Stranger Things theme. Don't worry, because we are going to slow this down big time. So while it sounds really complex and super fast, you can actually break this down to make it really slow, really manageable, and it sounds beautiful. So as a beginner, you can do this one. As an advanced player, you can do this one. Something for everyone. So we're going to dive right in, keeping in mind that really this approach is quite improvisational, meaning that if you listen to the beginning credits of the song, you're going to hear something a little different than if you were to search up the Stranger Things theme. Depending on what point you pick up, the chord changes and all the shifts are quite subtle, and there are many of them. So what you're going to learn are all the tools you need to play what sounds like the Stranger Things theme, and then you can kind of mix and match them to create any version you like. So this whole song is built up of basically one chord, kind of a traveling left hand. So it's based off of a C major 7. And a C major 7 has the notes C, E, G, and B. That's really all that we have to worry about. And the song is see? If you can do that, you can play the song. So this is a motion you're gonna have to get really comfortable with. There's a lot of notes to play, and so you want to have a good rotation in that wrist. And you want to make sure that you're letting go of the notes that you play, so use the pedal. Don't try to hang on to them with your hand. So that you can rotate forward and back down. So this is a great way to warm up and get ready to play the song. So spend a few minutes with that. The song starts on an E minor triad in the right hand, and then we've got these C's happening here. Right? Sounding familiar? Now, the way we've got this put together is we're gonna start really low. So we're gonna be playing the same notes of that C major 7, but we're gonna start down here so that our 5 finger is on middle C, and we're playing these guys. So what we end up getting are 2 measures of this little broken C major 7. And you can play it as fast as you like, or if you want to be like me today, you can play it nice and slow. Now you can play a C as an octave. In the left hand, you can play whatever you like, really. Now when you get to measure 5, let's pretend like we've just arrived there, things change a little bit. We're gonna just shift our thumb down a step to hit B, but the rest of the notes are gonna stay the same. So it's a bit more of a movement here, and it becomes increasingly more important that you are able to release that note so that you can travel through the rest and have that really good rotation and lift in your wrist. Your left hand is gonna play an E this time. One more time. And then things go back to normal, back to the C here. Again. And we're gonna travel up to D in the left while we hit the C. And then this switches to the B in the bass. So we've got the B. We'll do that 2 more times. And then we're gonna go to the C. So left hand on C and right hand on C. So just like we started the song. And watch this. So when we hit that C at the end of measure 8, our left hand travels up to D. I'm gonna do that one more time so you can kind of hear how it sounds in context. 2, 3, 4, and up. And then we switch to the E in our left hand, and our thumb drops back down to the B. Again. And the left hand walks down. So basically, you have the foundation for the Stranger Things theme. So you can take that and you can play it higher. Right? Essentially, all you're doing is walking between the C, the D, and the E in the left hand, and playing that broken C major 7 in the right hand, and allowing your thumb to bop down to that B when it sort of suits the song. And the moments that you're gonna find that happening are gonna be where you've got an E in the left hand. here is all up to you. So take this, you can use the music. There's a little bit more notation if you want to explore our version of it a little bit further, or you can simply take what you've learned using these really simple skills and create a Stranger Things theme of your very own. Enjoy this, comment below, let me know how it goes. Have fun.